Hi, this is the unboxing of the Logitech 750 wireless solar keyboard made by Logitech. It just came in today from Amazon, which I bought it for about 60 bucks. This is the PC version. So without further ado, let me go ahead there and get this thing here taken apart and open up. We got two little pieces of tape here on each side that we're going to run the knife through there and get it unsealed here. There we go. Flip it right on back over and open up the ends here. There we go. Okay, take the case off. We got it here in this. And get the camera to focus there again in a little box. Got another little piece of tape right here. There we go. And this here is our keyboard. What do we have here? Something about Logitech compliance. Take the ends off of that. And here we have our keyboard. Just pull that straight out. And inside the box here we have some written instructions, as you can see. Well, not written, but they're in pictures. And we have a cloth here for wiping off the solar cells. Some telephone numbers there for Logitech support. And in here we have their unifying receiver with a USB adapter for it. We'll take that off there. Okay, there's our keyboard. We got a couple little things here to pull off. We have this. That's just covering up the solar panel and the rest of the keyboard and stuff to keep it scratch free during shipment. This here we take off here. Lets you know where the on and off switch is. And last but not least, this here must be for the battery compartment. Okay, so we have our keyboard here. It is fairly flat, I tell you. It's really thin. So you can get a close-up look there of all the parts. There we go. And on the back of it, looks like there are some little feet in the back here if you like to type on a keyboard that's elevated. Now what we'll do, alright, that ends this unboxing here of this little keyboard. Keep a watch here on my channel, and as thing comes available, I'll give you some more updates. Alright, thank you.